90 degrees and there's ice falling from the sky. Hey everybody, Shu here. We're at the Canyon View RV Resort in Grand Junction, Colorado. This place is nice. So, without me giving too much away, let's go check it out. This is where you park your RV at as you're coming in. As soon as you come in, they have a splash pad, the cornhole things, tennis court, little soccer field. Over here on this side, they have a camp store, which is decked out pretty good. Bathrooms, showers, clubhouse entrance. And they have a swimming pool, which right now the swimming pool is closed because they have to wait a certain amount of time because there was lightning strike way over that hill over there. And they have a hot tub. There's a swimming pool. Nice little patio deck out here. And they even have a bathroom right over here that leads into a shower so you can pre-shower. This is nice. Very, very, very nice. So from the main entrance, you can see how nice this place is. We'll just take a quick cruise through here. The grass looks phenomenal here. They have these little dog parks here. Check out the views in the background. More showers over here. Big open skies. They have Wi-Fi for the entire campground and it is pretty fast. This is where we are. We are in site 51, Y51 to be exact. And the site right next to us is like for vans, stuff like that. But here's a perfect example. When you first arrive, they actually give you a escort to your campsite, so you don't have to worry about trying to figure out where it is and all that. This gentleman here on the golf cart will guide you to your actual spot and will help you get backed in or pull through. Right now they are in a, I do believe it's a class 2 fire ban. So yeah, or excuse me, stage 2 fire restrictions. So you're not allowed to have campfires unless it is a gas type fire pit. No fireworks. Really nice place. You can get ice here, and when there isn't a fire ban, you can also get firewood. Then we have the store, which has all kinds of goodies here. You can get beer, stuff like that. Doesn't look like anything too hard, like liquor, but you can get beer. You can get your soda pops, energy drinks, some snacks, some camping gear, toilet paper, a big camping chair. And they have different types of wines here. I do believe these are all local. And they also have a lounge room / game room, so they have a whole bunch of games and stuff like that. You can sit in here and watch TV, get out from the heat or whatever's outside. So this is pretty cool. Got a whole mess load of board games here. And if board games isn't your thing, they also have ping pong table, foosball, and they have a pool table. This is really nice. Love these photos. This is really cool. And laundry room. Quite a few. Alrighty, and back here in the very back corner, next to the bathrooms and showers, this is the long-term camping area. Which is really nice. Look at the grass. This is beautiful. Little fenced in area there. It's pretty cool. You got people that have like work contracts with the state, stuff like that, that's here for a long period of time. There's one of the maintenance guys. Really cool, dude. But this is the long-term storage. And just like the front, they have 30 amp, 50 amp, water, sewage, everything. Got a big barrier wall between you and the main road out there. Beautiful sights. And we are back at the entrance. So yeah, if you find yourself in this area, definitely look in the description below. I'll have the address and the phone number to the campground. And while I'm at it, seeing the bikes in the background, there's a shop here in Grand Junction, and it's called The Bike Shop. Those guys there are very professional, to give you an idea, and their prices are really good. My kickstand for my bike is about $35 to $40 in New Jersey, and that's for me to put it on and everything. Here, I thought the guy was joking at first. 11 bucks installed. April's brakes are very, very, very tiny, and I've tried finding replacements for them before. I could not find anybody that carried those little tiny brakes. The bike shop actually had them in stock, so she can stop her bike again. But again, that's The Bike Shop. They are at 950 North Avenue, number 108, here in Grand Junction, Colorado. I do believe it's 81501 is the zip code. So yeah, if you need any parts for your bikes, you need service, whatever, go to The Bike Shop, and they'll treat you good. I mean, they very professional. Like I said, prices are very good, and you're in and out. If you need something majorly done, make an appointment. But if it's something minor like that, you can just walk on in. They're more than happy to help anybody and everybody. So, and just so you know, in no shape, form, or fashion am I sponsored or anything like that by The Bike Shop. I just think they're a great set of people. They have great prices, and just figure I'd share the information. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, if you could just throw a thumbs up, it helps the algorithm, stuff like that. And until next time, y'all, stay safe out there.